Hi, welcome to CATECH tutorials. Let's see 8th model in this drawing. It's very easy operation, no need to actually say this, but as continuous. But I'm explaining each and every drawing in the sequence form. So in the form I explain this. Let's start sketch. Okay. Here it is. A box. Let's give dimension 36 and its height is 24. Okay, 36, 24, and total depth is 72. Now we want to give in reverse direction. The length is 72. Okay, again select the plane. Okay, so here I want to give a small rectangular box to this profile. Here I want to give 24. No, it's not 24. Here I want to give 12 mm and its height is 12 mm. So now let's construct with these edges. This is the one plane. So one sketch, another sketch is also there. Actually we don't draw two sketches in one sketch plane, we have to use different sketch plane, so I'm using casually. So it is actually it's wrong method using this way. (24) construct with this line, coincidence, and take a dimension from horizontal line. It is 40. Okay, total height 40 and it is 24. It is constructed with this line. And here also it is 12 and it is the height is 24. Okay, generally first we have to extrude this one, later on again we have to draw a sketch and extrude this part, but I am doing in the one sketch plane. So exit the workbench because both has same length. It is 48 in reverse direction. Preview. Okay guys, this is the model. Okay, this is the model. It's very simple and basic model, but I'm following the sequence of drawings in drawing book. That's it. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching CATTECH tutorials. Please subscribe our channel, like the video, share the video.